had your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't.
Yeah. So what's up? So I'm doing something very random, which I am. I'm in the midst of bleaching my eyebrows. Well, I bleached it the first time, but I didn't record it, so I'm recording now just to, like, I don't know, upload my experience, I guess. So hopefully I don't look too weird, but I feel like I have the face for it, so we're just going for it. We just gonna be random and do shit, quarantine life. But yeah, this is my second bleach round, and then I'm gonna tone it with my purple shampoo and just put some like castor oil or like olive oil on it. So yeah, I'm at the process. I've been processing probably for like 10 minutes the first time, and then I'm probably gonna let it go because I missed a couple of some spots, like they're darker. So maybe like I don't know, it's kind of burning, so I'm gonna let it go for like 6 minutes. I'm gonna try to hold off for like 6 minutes. I look so crazy now, but hopefully it looks good. I just want to look different, like, since my life can't be completely different and like not much is really going on. Like, I know what I want to do, but I can't get there right then and there. So, you know, you just can't force certain things in life. So I'm just changing stuff about myself. That's baby girl. That's all I can do. Baby, just one time. Hey, 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 baby, just one time. Baby, just one time. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. Get it. This motherfucker is itching and burning. So I think it's done. I'm just gonna take them off. And then let me do a sexy face. Maybe that'll make it like better for me. Like, okay, a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, I'm about to rinse this motherfucker off. I'll have no eyebrows whatsoever. Okay, BRB. Okay, so I don't know, it's something I guess I gotta get used to, because like if I put my makeup on, like do my lips and then do my eyes, I think it's gonna come together like properly. And like especially if I like do curls in my hair, like right now I got like a little bun going on because I just moisturized it. But I think it can be a look. I think it's a look, definitely a unique look that somebody gonna like double. They gonna like, do she got no eyebrows, or they blowing? Like, who is that? Who she think she is? Like, what? But yeah, so I'm gonna come back when I got the purple shampoo off, and probably when I'm about to rinse it off. So stay tuned for part 3. Let's get it. Okay, it's been about 5. That's kind of loud. It's been about like 5 minutes. So I'm about to take it off. Hello. See how it looks. Probably gonna look like an ash color, I think. Maybe. Or maybe I should leave it on longer. I don't know. I'm gonna just see how it looks. I look like it's missing. My eyebrows are missing. When you bored in the house, so you start doing random shit. No, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I just gotta get a little used to it. Okay, y'all see how the result is. Tell me if I'm okay or not. But